Hello, YouTube modelers. Miguel here with DevilDog.Games. Well, we did it. We hit the 200 sub mark, and as promised, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I have acquired a couple kits, and so what I'm gonna do is anyone who wants to enter the giveaway, all they need to do is be a subscriber and comment on this video. Any comments or replies will count as an entry, and so what I'll do is I'll leave this video up for 2 days. So the day after tomorrow, which will be Friday morning at about 10 a.m. my time, I will close the entry and run the random selection. What I will do is I will use it's a website. I'll post a link to it in the description, but it's basically a random comment selector, and you post the URL for the video and you click the button, and it selects a random comment from all of the comments on that video. That's all you got to do. The gifts or the kits that I will be giving away are the following. I'm going to be giving away a Moebius Lone Star, and I'm going to be giving away either a smooth side trailer or a reefer trailer. The winner of the random selection will get to pick which trailer they want. They're going to get the truck and the trailer. So I appreciate you guys. I thanks for all your subs, and I thank you for your comments. And this is my way of saying thank you. Hope everyone has a good day. Comment on the video if you want to enter, and we'll pick, like I said, we'll pick a winner on Friday. Have a good day, and we'll see you soon.